Hello dear students, welcome again. Have you people ever construct the type of construction that base and base angle is given and the remaining two sides sum should be particular? No. Have you ever construct that base and base angle is given but the difference between two sides should be it in question, for example 4.5 it is given, so without measuring that the difference between two sides, remaining two sides, that should be 4.5, for example 5, 6.5 something? No, without measuring, without using scale, without using protractor? No. Have you ever construct that if just two angles are given and sum of remaining three of the sides should be some particular, for example 10, 10.5, 11.5? No. If every time your answer is no, then today I am going to teach you something new and amazing. And this is Joshi's online study hub and I, Tushar Joshi, heartily welcome you all dear students behalf of Omkar English Medium School. And in today's lecture, exercise number 11.2, as here you can see, we have to start, and here we have to see three type of constructions. Yes, here three type of construction in this chapter you have to learn. Because this is the really base, you have to learn this properly because this is the really base of upcoming 10th standard. And as I have declared, within a few days I am going to start next year the 10th standard. So if you will learn this chapter properly, all these things which I teach you here properly, if you will learn, so next year it will become so easy for you. And let us start to our first question. But as I said, you here three type of question will come. Types I am saying, I am not saying number of questions. Number of questions can be vary, but types I am saying. So first type is base angle they will give and we have to match remaining sum of two sides. Second type, base and base angle they will give and we have to find, we have to get, we have to match the difference between two sides. And the third one is just base angle, two base angle they will give and we have to find, we have to match, we have to construct remaining sum of three sides. Okay, still if you not getting my words, then let me do here. First question, right now I am going to start. This is the first type. Okay, first question means first type. Question says construct a triangle ABC which BC 7 means base is given, angle B 75 means base angle is also given, and AB plus AC we have to find. Then here, see, let me write question here. The just main things I will write. Okay, construct a triangle ABC. Okay, where BC is equal to 7 means here BC. Okay, BC is equal to 7 means base is given. Okay, base is 7. B 75 means base angle. Okay, angle B 75 degree. AB plus AC. Okay, AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Now let's do it. First you people have to draw the base. Okay, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, this is BC 7 means what? 7 centimeter. Okay, so here we have to draw 7 centimeter. Then here you have to use your scale, means your units will become comparatively small and this will become comparatively big. Okay, so because here I have exactly 7 centimeter line segment I will draw here, if then it will become so small like this. So this is because large board, so I have to use a big scale in compare of you. Okay, so here 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter base. Okay, and let it called BC. Now 75 degrees angle we have to draw. Okay, let it draw a little bit downside, so that otherwise top side this will not perform. Now 75 angle we have to draw. Then now you all know how to draw 75-degree angle. Okay, what to do first? Okay, more than half radius we have to set here, as you can see. Okay, this much, any radius you can set. Okay, but it should be more than half. Then here, for example, this is okay. This is almost more than half. Okay, then here first we have to draw one arc, and this is 60-degree, and this is 120-degree. Okay, these arcs you can see here. Okay, 60 and 120-degree, and now the here 90-degree will come, the bisector of 60 and the bisector of 120, that is 90. So this is 90-degree. Okay, this is 90-degree, but we have to draw 75. So 75 is what? Actually bisector of 90 and 60 is 75. Okay, then here again bisector we have to draw without changing radius. Radius now you don't have to change. Then now 90 and 60 here, and one line segment we have to draw from this line. Okay, so this is 75. Okay, this is 75-degree. These things I am going to rough because I have to draw proper and big construction, so you all people can see this. Okay, so this extra thing, this chapter name and standard name, these all things I am going to rough. Okay, now this is 75-degree, and now clearly you people can see this figure. Okay, all extra thing I have removed. Now we have to find BC plus AC, means remaining two sides, that is 13. Okay, AB, actually AB plus BC is equal to, sorry, AB plus AC. AB plus AC is equal to 13. So what you people have to do here, you have to measure 13-degree. Okay, from here this 75-degree angle we have drawn now, so that you have to measure first how much, 13 centimeter you have to measure using your scale. Okay, then here this is up to here it will cover, huh? This is such a huge figure. Okay, this is, it will cover up to here because I have drawn big figure. Okay, so that now here actually directly you don't have to draw like this, you don't have to perform like this. You have to put your rounder in your scale, okay, on your scale, and you have to measure. Yes, this is 13 centimeter like this, okay, yes, this is 13 centimeter, and using that centimeter, okay, if once your rounder is set, then you have to draw one arc, and this arc should be like this. But because I have a large figure, so that I have drawn directly, okay, but you have to use your rounder. Now what you people have to do, this intersection you have to join with the another point, because this is B and this is C, okay. So this intersection you people have to join, okay, here with another point, means like here, okay. See, that intersection I have joined with C. Then now you will say, sir, is our triangle ready? No, it's still not our triangle. This point you have to call D. See here in question, triangle ABC is asked. Is anywhere given it is D? No. So that I have given the name D, means it means that our triangle is still not ready. This is triangle DBC, okay, and they have asked us triangle ABC. Now to get the final triangle, because now our almost more than 70% task is completed. To get final triangle, what we people have to do? We have to bisect this line segment DC. We have to bisect this line segment DC, and we have to draw the final triangle. But now the point is that how to bisect any line segment. How to bisect any line segment. So one new thing today I am going to teach you here. See with full of concentration. To find bisector of any triangle, again I am repeating, to find bisector of any triangle, this method you have to perform. You have to put rounder, okay, at one end, and you have to take more than half radius, okay, more than half radius you have to take. So for example, here I have put, and almost more than half radius I have taken. So one arc you have to draw left side, okay. Right now this sketch pen is not working properly, but you people can see, because I think camera clarity is clear, so that you people can see what I am drawing here, okay. So one arc top side, 1 minute, just 1 minute, huh? I am using some another sketch pen. Okay, now maybe you people will able to see. Yes, is that okay? Now one arc top side, one arc down side you have to draw, okay. One arc top side, one arc down side you have to draw, as well as from the other end, okay, from the other end, one arc top side and one arc down side you have to draw. So for example, one arc top side and one arc down side you have to draw, okay. Again here, one arc top side and one arc down side, okay. Then you see from this both of the intersection, okay, one intersection here as you can see, one more intersection here as you can see. So from that both of the intersection we have to pass one line segment, sorry, one line we have to pass, okay. So see, one line I am going to pass from this both of the intersecting points. So this is the first one, okay. Any name you can give, choice is yours, notation you can give as per your convenience, okay. Then now let it call, this point is our A, okay, this is our A. This notation you cannot change. Let me write in big font, okay. Now this is A, again this is B, and this is C, okay. This now you can see this triangle properly. And now still you will say, sir, this is still not triangle. This is quadrilateral. A, B, C, and here if I will give some names, so it will become quadrilateral. It's still not triangle. Then what we people can do, the final, it's called the golden touch. So that Midas touch now we have to give, and the last line segment we have to draw, and we have to join AC. Okay, now I have joined AC, and this triangle A, B and C, that is your final triangle. Here you can see A, B, C. This is your final triangle. Okay, so this is the completion part of construction. Question number first type, and that is complete. Again, let me repeat. Okay. First we have to draw base, then base angle we have to draw. How to draw base angle, that I have already taught you in my previous lecture. So if you haven't seen that previous lecture, so you should see that first. Because if you will not able to understand how to draw the angles, then without any angle how you will construct this construction. So first you should know how to construct any angle without measuring it, without using protractor. Okay, and then after completing that part, after drawing 75-degree angle, the total length, this length you have to take. Here see AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter it is given. So on 30's length, using your rounder, okay, the radius of your rounder, the both leg of your rounder you have to expand, and you have to take this 13 centimeter length, and from the point B you have to draw one arc, and from that arc, the intersecting point of that arc and line segment and ray, okay, because this is BD, okay, this BD is ray BD we should say, and you have to join this both the points. And now after joining that you have to draw the bisector. Now you all know how to draw the bisector. More than half radius from both of the end you have to take, and the two arcs in opposite direction you have to draw. And you have to pass one line from that both of the arc. Okay, that must remember that one line, that line must be passed from the both of the intersecting points. Otherwise proper figure you will not get. And this point you called A, this is our final point, and that point you have to join with another end of line segment, and this your, and thus your final construction is over. Okay, I hope you understood this first one, because now I am going to start the type of second. Okay, second type. Now let's see second question and second type. Base angle both are given, and subtraction of two sides here we have to get without using scale and protractor. As you can see here in triangle ABC, we have to construct here triangle ABC. BC should be 8 centimeter, B should be 45 degree. And the subtraction of remaining two sides should be 3.5 centimeter. Okay, 3.5 centimeter. So this type of triangle we have to draw. Then what to do? First we will draw base, as we have done in first question. We will draw 8 centimeter base. Okay, so 8 centimeter base here I am going to draw. As you can see here, okay, this is 8 centimeter base. Okay, 8 centimeter base, let it call B and C. Now 45 degree angle we have to draw. Okay, then how to construct this 45 degree angle? Okay, let's see how to construct this 45 degree angle. Then first we will construct 60 degree. Okay, as always, first we will construct 60 degrees. So for that what we will do? More than half radius. Okay, and we will draw a semicircle like this. Okay, like this. Now on this intersecting point we will put a pointer of rounder. This is 60 degree. Now 60 0, its bisector, that is 30. Okay, so its bisector we will draw 60 and 30. So this is 0 and this is 60. Okay, so it is the bisector. It will gives us 30 degree. Then here see, this is 60 degree angle. This is 60 degree angle. Okay, this is 30 degree angle. Okay, this is 30 degree angle, but we have to draw 45 degree. So again its bisector we have to draw. Okay, 60 and 30. So its bisector gives us 45. Why? Because 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 and 90 by 2 is 45 degree. So that now we have to draw its bisector. Okay, how to draw? Okay, again here pointer, one arc, again here one arc, and from the intersection like this. Okay, so this is our final one. Okay, I will draw this little bit big. Okay, this is our 45 degree angle. Okay, this is our 45 degree angle. Now to draw construction I will just remove out these angles. Okay, otherwise if you just draw arc then also it is okay. It's not required to draw full line segments or full ray. It's not required to draw. Okay, if you draw just arc then also it is okay. Okay, then now okay, as you can see here, this is our final one. This is our final one, 45 degree angle. But now the subtraction, okay, subtraction should be AB minus AC, that should be 3.5 centimeter. So now you have to set your rounder, the radius of your rounder 3.5 centimeter means here like this you have to measure like this 3.5 and you have to draw one arc. Okay, like that. Then let me measure. Okay, so for example like this we have to draw one arc like this. Okay, this is our arc and this arc you have to call D. Okay, this point is D and you have to join this both of the points. Okay, you have to join this both of the points and then I will join DC. Okay, I will join DC. DC. Okay, done. Now the bisector of DC now we have to find, because this is just triangle DBC and DBC is not asked triangle. Okay, so we have to find its bisector and now you all know how to find the bisector. Okay, more than half radius, one arc top side and one downside also. Okay, one arc downside. Okay, one arc downside as well as one arc again top side and one arc downside. Okay, and one line you have to pass from both of that points, both of that intersecting point. Okay, so if I draw one line, see I have drawn. Okay, and this point where this both line intersect, it's you have to call A. This is your A, and from that point, this point A and C both you have to join. This is again final touch, this is again your Midas touch. Okay, so now see, now the final triangle is completed. A, B, C is now final triangle, as you can see here. Okay, now one thing let me tell you, you people have to write the points of construction. Now you will say, sir, what is points of construction? Then points of construction means which thing we have done here, that all thing you have to write down. Okay, for example, let me write here first. See, first this second construction, so its point I will write, all points I will write. Okay, but first construction's point you have to write yourself. In points of construction, what you people have to do, what you people have done, just that things you have to write. Okay, for example, it's called steps. Okay, it's called steps of construction. So first actually I should write what I have done, that thing only we have to write. Okay, so let's draw line segment BC 8 cm. Okay, draw line segment BC is equal to 8 cm. Then what we have done, now let us draw ray D. Okay, D, B, C, otherwise any name you can give. Okay, draw angle, not DBC but some other name we should give. Okay, E. EBC is equal to 45 degree. How you people have drawn, that you don't have to write. That first draw 60 degree, then 30 degree, then bisector of 60 and 30, 45, thus 30, thus 45 degree angle is come. That you don't have to write. You have to just write draw EBC 45 degree, complete. Okay, now third point. After that what we have done? Okay, after 45 degree, using your rounder, okay, using compass, otherwise rounder also you can write. Okay, using compass, draw 3.5 centimeter arc. Okay, draw 3.5 centimeter arc, because here we have done na, and call it D. Okay, then fourth point, join line segment, join point D and C, join. Okay, join point, this is PT, P raised to T, the short and the authentic form of point. Okay, join point D and C. Okay, D and C. Now the next step is construct the bisegment, or sorry, construct the bisector of line segment CD. Construct the bisector of line segment. Okay, construct the bisector of line segment CD. Again, that you don't have to write, that how to construct. More than half radius you have to take, and one arc top side, one arc down side, that you don't have to write. Okay, now call it A. Okay, and call it A. Okay, and the last one, join point A and C. Okay, again join point A and C, and the last one, triangle. Okay, which triangle? ABC is asked triangle. Okay, ABC is asked triangle. And justification part. Okay, because see, in 4 mark construction will come. Now let me tell you some information regarding exam. Okay, exam oriented. So in 4 mark construction will come. Half mark, sorry, 1 mark is for steps. Okay, 1 mark is for justification, 2, and remaining 2 mark is for construction. So like this in 4 mark construction will come. So justification you have to write. So in justification what you have to write, which thing we have calculated, just that thing you have to repeat. Okay, line segment BC is equal to 8. For example, let me write here justification. Okay, justification BC is equal to 8. Okay, line segment BC is equal to 8 centimeter. BD is equal to 3.5 we have measured now. Okay, so BD, line segment BD is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so that now directly after joining CD, these all things, once let me tell you, these all things you have to write in your language. You don't have to follow anybody other step. Okay, you have to strictly follow this construction. My pattern you have to strictly follow. But these steps here you can use your own language. In this justification part you can use your own language. And let me tell you one thing, if you will construct this construction properly, if you will construct this construction properly, then generally nobody sees these steps and justification part. Examiner will check your construction, your arcs, especially your arcs are proper or not. If arcs are proper, then generally nobody, because the people don't have to see, the people don't have to time. Okay, the people don't have time to see these all things. So just construction anybody will see and they will just give you marks if your steps are if your all arcs are correct. Okay, but then also we have to write these all steps, because if you will not write then marks will cut. Okay, that is final. Then here we have to write after joining CD. Okay, after join CD, its bisector is A and some name here we can give AF. Okay, bisector is equal to AF. Now, okay, now AB minus AC is equal to 3.5. AB minus AC is equal to 3.5. This is your final one. Okay, you have to write box, otherwise you have to write underline. Okay, around it. Now this is final. AB minus AC is equal to 3.5. So in this lecture I have covered 2 types. One more type is remain, the last one. Okay, last but not least. So that last part is remain, last type is remain, that we will see in our next lecture. Thank you for this lecture.